According to our current understanding of black holes based on general relativity, it is possible for two black holes to merge and form a larger black hole. This process is known as a black hole merger or a black hole collision. When two black holes come close to each other, their immense gravitational forces can cause them to orbit around each other in a dance known as a binary black hole system. As they lose energy due to the emission of gravitational waves, their orbits decay, eventually leading to a merger. During the merger, the black holes combine their masses and angular momenta to form a single, more massive black hole. The event horizon of the resulting black hole encompasses the combined mass of the original black holes. So, in a sense, one black hole does swallow the other black hole, merging together to form a larger black hole. However, it's important to note that the term swallow is just a metaphorical way to describe the merger. It doesn't imply a literal swallowing or consumption process as we typically understand it. It's worth mentioning that the process of black hole mergers is an active area of research, and there is ongoing work to improve our understanding of the dynamics and astrophysical implications of these events.